Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play a way out with two keyboards. First, connect both USB keyboards to your computer. Make sure they are properly recognized by your operating system. Next, launch a way out. Once the game is running, head straight into the control settings menu. This initial setup is crucial for the game to detect both input devices correctly. We'll then assign each player their own keyboard for a seamless co-op experience. Now let's configure the controls. Within the game's input settings, you'll find options for Player 1 and Player 2. Select Player 1 and assign all their actions using keys from your first keyboard. Be thorough, covering movement, interaction, and any special abilities. Then, switch to Player 2 and repeat the process, but this time exclusively using keys from your second keyboard. This ensures each player has distinct, dedicated controls. Sometimes, you might encounter a few hiccups. A common issue is overlapping keybinds. Double-check that Player 1 and Player 2 don't share any assigned keys. If a keyboard isn't detected, try restarting the game or even your computer. Also, ensure your keyboard drivers are up to date. Most modern operating systems handle this automatically, but a manual check can resolve persistent problems. These steps usually fix most dual keyboard setup challenges. With your dual keyboard setup complete, you're ready for an immersive co-op adventure. Before diving into the main story, consider a quick test run in a private match to ensure all controls feel natural for both players. Remember, communication is key in a way out, so talk to your partner often. And speaking of great stories, if you love reading, check the description for a link to a fantastic portable e-reader and other deals. Enjoy your unique gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.